Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
In this video, I want to go over offers and scarcity mindsets. I want to talk about some offers you can do to your clients to entice them in buying your services again or for the first time. And I want to talk about this scarcity mindset and how you can invoke this feeling in people, because when people have this scarcity mindset, or what is also called FOMO, which is fear of missing out, people are more inclined to purchase. And you see this all around. So for example, if you watch an infomercial, you for example see there's this TV for sale. The price is heavily discounted. There's only 10 now there's only 9, now there's only 5. So the quantity is decreasing, so it becomes a scarce resource. So people have FOMO, have fear of missing out on that special priced offer sale, so they'll buy it with an impulse. And this is what I want to talk about today. So one thing you can do on Legiit is pricing your service at double the price that you want to sell it for. So for example, say you want to sell a logo design for $20. What you do is you'd price your service at $40 and then offer a 50% discount. And we'll go over an example here in just a second. But like it's written here, so if you are selling something for $497, you'd offer a discount for 51% and sell it at $243. Why 51%? Because 50 is amazing, and 51%, just that 1%, just because it's more than 50, it's like outrageous and gets people going. So the value people think they're getting is artificial, but people think they're getting more than 50% discount, which is huge. Like I say here, scarcity, you can also have a scarcity on there, so limited to 30 people, and then something like 17 out of 30 claimed. Now, I want to go over an example here and a question. So out of these two, you're going to answer me which one would you be more inclined to buy, A or B. Both are the same product, so full website design. This is on sale for $197, but this is on sale for half the price. Again, $197 again, but it's $197 as well. But in the service copy, it has these 3 lines. One saying it's an instant 51% off, and another one is saying limited to 10 spots, and again, 7 out of 10 claimed. So this right here is the scarcity. Sorry, let me use another brush. So this right here is the scarcity part, these two, and this right here is the huge discount, okay? The huge crazy discount of 51%. So which one you'd be more inclined to buy? I'd say probably B than A, because here you have scarcity and a huge discount. And you might say A other than B, but I can assure you that on the moment of going to a sales page and viewing and being presented with the actual discount and the scarcity, and if you're of course interested in buying this, you'll most of the times choose B. And not only that, but the perceived value, which we already talked about, this concept of perceived value, the perceived value of B is higher than A, because the starting price is higher than A. And B has scarcity, sorry, not A. B has scarcity. So the perceived value rule I talked about previously matters a lot here. The perceived value of B is much higher than A because the value is much higher than A, so the original value. Now, what we're doing here is offering a crazy discount, so 51% off, crazy discount, plus a time or limit, in this case it's a limit, which is our scarcity, and this will equal more sales. And what I want you to do with this video is not just watch it, try to really implement this. Go to one of your sales page, double the price, and then include this over there. So include a big block of text saying, get an instant 51% discount, use coupon 51% off or something like that. And then below it have these 2 lines or something similar, lines of scarcity. I can almost assure you that you'll start to get more sales. It's almost guaranteed, because this works. Scarcity and huge discounts work. And you're not losing money, you're actually making the same money per order, but you're getting more orders. And people think, and me myself included, that we are immune to these tactics, but we're not. These tactics have always worked, they still work, and they'll keep on working till the day the world ends. And please, 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 right now, go to Legiit, go to your profile, pick a service, double the price, and add these 3 or something similar to your sales page. Make sure to have a crazy discount and a time amount or limit for scarcity. And I can show you here an example as well, which was from one of my services, this one right here. What I did, which is the exact thing I'm saying here, is basically double the price of the service and offer a 50% discount. I could have done a 51, I did 50 on this one, but I just took this service, doubled the price of every single package, and then offered a 50% discount. And this works. I got more sales by doing this. So I urge you, please try and do this. I can assure you it works, because this is how people work. This is the psychology between how people work and how people purchase things online or in person. So yeah, right here I don't have the scarcity because this is an old sales page. But if you have the instant huge discount plus the time or limit amount of scarcity, I can assure you you'll get more sales. And like I showed you, this is the perfect example. I'm doing it myself. I just doubled the price of each package and offered a 50% discount. And yeah, that's it. This is the Facebook for help. If you want to have any questions or just chat with me regarding the sales or regarding sales pages or whatever, this is the support group for the course, facebook.com/groups/marketplace freelancer. Again, I urge you, please try and do this. It's really, really important that you do this because it works. And if you want to get more sales and if you want to succeed on Legiit, do this. It works. So close this video and right now and go try it out. Just choose any service of yours on Legiit, double the price, and then include these 2 things. Okay? Thank you. I will see you on the next one.